Alright, so we have a 2005 TTR 125 electric start, kickstart backup. This thing hasn't been ran like all season. It's my mom's, so we're gonna see if we can get the fire out. We might have to clean the carburetor. Not really sure. I really haven't tried it yet. So we're gonna kind of go over some things, check the oil, make sure you got gas in it, try to fire it up, see what happens. Alright, so oil's good, we got plenty of gas in it, gas is turned on, choke's on, battery is dead, so we can't use the electric start on it. So we're gonna try to kick it a few times, see if we can get the fire. No. Alright, so we're gonna mess with it, see if we got spark, see if there's fuel getting on the spark plug. I guess we'll go from there. Dry as a bone, so we're not getting fuel. Since we have it off, we can check for spark. Getting some sparks, so we're good on there. Carb just needs a good clean, I'm assuming, so. So we know we have spark, now we just need to check we have fuel. Fuel line's off on the other side. Fuel is off. Leak gas everywhere. We have the carb off. Flip it upside down. Surprise, we have no gas coming out of here. We can check too is if we don't have gas coming here, the fuel valve, that could be clogged. Or, you know, not letting gas go that way. Either way, since we have it off, we're going to take this off. See if we can get all that gunk in there. It's not what we want to see. Easy clean, but it's definitely messy. World's most bent screwdriver. Still works though. In there too, pretty stuck, so that's not good. We weren't getting much gas through here to begin with. Every once in a while, when this happens, if it sticks open, you can flood your quad. So that's why we take it all apart, clean it all up. Okay, so we think we know what the culprit is. Was the valve wasn't letting the gas in. Had a little bit of gas in the bowl. Bowl's basically all cleaned up now. There's a little bit that's just, it really seems like it's more like a rust type stuff. It's in there, you can't really get it out. But that's clean. The carburetor itself's clean now. Gonna make sure the main jet, the pilot jet's cleaned out. I don't really have compressed air, but if you do, that's what you want to use. There you go. You can blow through it. You can look through it. If you take it up to a light, you can look through it. It should be a pretty darn big hole. If you have, let's see if we, on your carb clean, brake clean, whatever you're using, you've got your nozzle. You can put that on there. If I can get it. Make sure you spray through it. You know it's clean, so we'll just put that to the side here. We have, let's see, here's the valve. We're gonna put that to the side as well, and then we just need the pilot jet. This one has a very, very small hole in it. You can try to blow through it. It's very, very small. If you take it up to light, it's just a tiny little hole. Do the same thing with it, so you can spray through it. You can. Yeah, if you have compressed air, that makes life so much easier on these things. That one's good. So now we just need to clean the valve and inspect it, and it should be floating in here very easily. It goes up and down very easily. We don't want to have any cracks on the tip or anything weird on the tip. So we'll have to clean it up a little bit and put it all back together. Okay, we're gonna see if it'll focus up. Probably not. But we cleaned it up. Had a little bit of gunk on it. The rubber tip has a little bit of grooving, but not too bad. But yeah, so we should be good to go. So let's put it back together. Okay, so carb's all cleaned up, but we didn't put the line back on yet. We're gonna try to clean some of this out. So we're just gonna reserve and let the gas just leak down in, drain it out. Luckily the tank isn't super full. There is some gas in it, but it's so old. It's probably brown. So we're gonna change it out, put some new stuff in it, see if we can't fire this bad boy up. All right, guys, as you can see, we got the TTR 125 done. It just needed a good carb clean. It's been sitting for basically all season. I don't think they rode it much at all. I think I rode it more than anybody, and I barely rode the thing. So, new gas, new carb clean. As you can see, we kind of did it on the shop floor. Didn't take long at all. This is actually an aftermarket carburetor. I think these go on like a KX60 or something. I forget exactly what it was, but it's a nice mod for these bikes that makes them run a lot better and start up a lot easier. And just, yeah, all in all, that's what you need. yeah, I think that's about it. If you guys got any questions or comments, don't be afraid to leave them in the comment section below. And as always, guys, God bless.